I, Sambabu Gedala, Head of the Department of Biotechnology, I will give presentation on linkage. What is linkage? The tendency of two or more genes remain together on the same chromosome during the inheritance is called linkage. The linkage was first reported by Bateson and Punnett. Hutchinson observed clear cut of linkage in maize plant. What are the learning objectives? Introduction, the crossing over and linkage, the types of linkages. One is the crossing over, complete linkage, incomplete linkage, involvement of gene, coupling and repulsion, involvement of chromosome, autosomal linkage, sex chromosomal linkage, cis-trans linkage. So the linkage means the tendency of two or more genes to remain together in the same chromosome during the inheritance is called linkage. So what are the characteristic features of linkage? So here I already have told you in the introduction, the tendency of two or more genes remain together in the same chromosome during the inheritance. The phenomenon of the linkage was first reported by William Bateson and Punnett in 1906. These are homologous chromosomes. Replication occurred. Then we are getting a sister chromatids. Then meiosis. Again we are getting sister chromatids in the separate cells. So chromosome during the meiosis. So what are the characteristic features of linkage? All the genes present on a single chromosome are said to be linked to one another and belongs to same linkage group. The number of linkage groups is equal to the haploid chromosomal number. Example, Drosophila, 2n is equal to 8, n is equal to 4, means 4 linkage groups. Second example, maize, 2n is equal to 20, n is equal to 10, the linkage groups are 10. So Sutton and Boveri proposed chromosomal theory of inheritance, stated that genes are present on the chromosomes. According to the Mendel's laws of inheritance, particularly law of independent assortment, genes on different chromosomes act independently, but linked genes always inherit together. It involves either dominant or recessive or some dominant or some recessive genes. The distance between the two genes are more, the linkage strength is less. If the distance is less, the linkage strength is more. In test cross progeny, 50% recombinants and 50% parental varieties. But due to linkage, the parental varieties are more than 90% and recombinants are between 2 to 5%. Another characteristic feature of the linkage is observed for the both qualitative and quantitative polygenic trait. So the difference between the crossing over and linkage, it leads to the separation of linked genes. It keeps the genes together. The second point, it involves exchange of segments between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes. It involves individual chromosomes. The frequency of crossing over can never exceed 50%, whereas in linkage, the number of linkage groups can never be more than haploid chromosome number. It increases variability, it reduces variability. So, the types of linkages. So, linkage is generally classified on the basis of three criteria. One is the crossing over, second one is the involvement of gene, the third one is the involvement of chromosomes. The first one is the crossing over. So, in crossing over, complete linkage, so the linkage in which crossing over does not occur or the only parental types are obtained from test cross progeny. Example, Drosophila melanogaster. The genes for bent wings and shaven bristles of the fourth chromosome mutant of Drosophila melanogaster exhibit complete linkage. T.H. Morgan mated gray bodies and vestigial wing with black bodies and normal wings. Example, this is an example. So, here a gray body's vestigial wing is crossed with black and long. So, B plus VG, B plus VG. Here B, VG plus. So, these are parents. Coming here, gametes are B plus VG. Here B, small b, VG plus. So, in F1 generation, we are getting all are gray and long. Gray or long. So, B plus VG plus. So, next F1 gametes. So, here test cross. Test cross. So, here B plus VG, B VG plus is crossed with small b, small VG. Means what is test cross? A cross made between F1 individuals is crossed with the recessive parents is called test cross. So, only two gametes due to the complete linkage and absence of crossing over. Only two gametes due to complete linkage and absence of crossing over. So, here see here B plus VG, B VG plus and B VG. Only two gametes we are getting here. So, next test cross progeny. So, test cross means offsprings. Progeny is nothing but an offsprings. Here half grey vestigial is crossed with half black long, means B plus VG, B VG. Here B VG plus B VG. So, here these are gametes. All F1 are again grey bodies and normal wings. When F1 hybrids are test cross with the double recessive parents, only two types of phenotypes are formed. Incomplete, second one is incomplete linkage. The linkage in which some frequency of crossing over takes place due to that recombinant individuals are observed in test cross progeny besides parental combination. Example, Drosophila melanogaster female. Another example, maize. So, here. So, grey and long is crossed with a black and vestigial. So, here capital B, capital B, capital L is crossed with small b, small b, small l, small l. Gametes are capital B, capital L, capital B, capital L, here small b, small l, small b, small l. In F1, we are getting heterozygous grey long. So, capital B, small b, capital L, small l. So, test cross. So, capital B, small b, capital L, small l means heterozygous grey long is crossed with small b, small b, small l, small l. So, here gametes are capital B, capital L, capital B, small l, small b, capital L, small b, small l, small b, small l, small b, small l. So, your gametes are again crossing capital B, small b, capital L, small l. Here capital B, small b, capital L, small l. Again here is capital B, small l, small l, capital B, small l, small l. See here, again here small b, small e, capital L, small l, small b, capital L, small l, small b, small l, small l, small b, small l. So 50% are parental varieties, 50% are recombinant variety. Next, involvement of gene. So involvement of gene, we have two types, coupling and repulsion. Coupling and repulsion. So basing on the pattern of inheritance of a dominant and recessive genes, we have two types, coupling and the repulsion, given by the Bateson and Punnett, but not given a proper interpretation. Later, Thomas Hunt Morgan in 1910 explained coupling and repulsion in Drosophila. The first one is the coupling, the linkage that occurred between either two dominant genes, capital A, capital B, or between two recessive genes, A and small b. Example, maize plant. You have taken the color of the seed, capital C, the shape of the seed, capital S. So, colorful and colorless shrunken is capital C, capital S is crossed with small c, small s. Gametes are capital C, S, small c, small s. Color in F1 generation we are getting colorful heterozygous, colorful, capital C, capital S, small s. Test cross, again capital C, capital S, small s is crossed with small c, capital S, small s. So colorful are 4032, colored shrunken 149, colorless full 152, colorless shrunken 4035. So out of total plants 8368, out of 3368 parental varieties are 8067 and recombinants are 301. Parental combinations occurred as 96.4% instead of 50%. Recombinants are 3.6% instead of 50%. Normally, dihybrid test cross ratio is 1:1:1:1, changes to 7:1:1:7. Repulsion. The linkage that occurred between either two dominant alleles, capital A, small b, or between two recessive alleles, small a, capital B. Example, maize plant. Color of the seed, capital C, shape of the seed, capital S. Colored shrunken is crossed with a colorless full. Means capital C, small s is crossed with small c, capital S. Parents. Gametes are capital C, small s. See here, small c, capital S. In F1 generation, we are getting heterozygous, colorful, capital C, capital S, small s. Test cross. Capital C, capital S, small s is crossed with small c, small s. Colorful 630. Colored shrunken 21,379. colorless full 21,906, colorless shrunken 670. So here this is a colored shrunken and colorful shrunken are parental varieties. Colorful and color shrunken are recombinants. Involvement of chromosomes. Next one is the involvement of chromosomes. Autosomals, genes which are located on the chromosome other than sex chromosomes. Sex chromosome means the sex chromosome, that is X and Y. Next one is the cis and trans linkage. Thomas Hunt Morgan, while working with Drosophila, found that coupling and the repulsion are not complete. He given an extension for coupling and repulsion phases as a cis and trans forms respectively. He explained that the linked genes exist in two ways in as F1 double heterozygotes. Cis linkage, the two dominant genes are located on one chromosome and two recessive genes are located on a homologous pair. This type of arrangement is called cis arrangement. Capital R, capital RO, small r o. Means dominant genes, one chromosome, two recessive on homologous pair is called cis linkage. Trans linkage, the dominant alleles of one pair and recessive alleles of its homologous other pair. This type of arrangement is called trans arrangement, capital R, RO. Here another chromosome, small r, capital RO, means the dominant alleles of one pair and recessive alleles of other pair located on the same chromosome is called a trans linkage. Thank you.